Hey guys, Amelia here with Mama Reviews, and today I am here to talk about a very cool product that just launched, and it is a new GOLI. They are expanding their chocolate bites line, and this one is GOLI Energy. So if you want to hear more about this brand new GOLI item, let's get into it. Okay, so I just received this in the mail. I have not tried it. We're gonna do a taste test and we're gonna talk about everything it's supposed to do and all the good stuff. Before I get into this one, I'm gonna quickly go over these two. I have videos on these ones if you wanna go check them out. The GOLI Calm is just like the blue Ashwa ones, except it's in a chocolatey, yummy, delicious bite. I take these before bed, just as a little treat before bed to kind of unwind and prepare for the night, the calm down. This one I take every day. The multi, I love that it basically is like all your vitamins, overall health and well-being in one delicious little chocolatey bite to kick off your day. So morning, night, now energy. So let's get into it. So this one says GOLI Energy. It has vitamins B6, 9, and 12. And it says it increases energy production, converts food into cellular energy, promotes cognitive function, and supports heart health. It says it is a milk chocolate salted caramel flavor. It says you can take one piece as needed. So this isn't something you necessarily have to take every day. Just if you're feeling a little run down, not as energized or whatever, take one of these. A little boost of energy for you. It does have caffeine in it. It has 20 milligrams of caffeine. So way less than like a tall coffee, but sometimes in the afternoon, for me at least, like coffee can kind of like upset my stomach, or I feel just like full, and I don't necessarily need that much coffee. I just need something to get over that like afternoon like hurdle, but I don't want a ton of caffeine and all that to keep me up all night. So this would be perfect because there's only 20 milligrams of caffeine. Only 3 grams of sugar. Let's see. It's obviously as all the other ones, they're gluten-free, no added preservatives, no artificial coloring and all that. So let's try them out. I really like the other two, so I'm assuming I'll like these two because the multi one is like a vanilla cocoa flavor and the purple one's like a acai berry flavor. Make it like you have to like push and then twist. Never, there it goes. Okay, so like I said, I have not opened these yet. So we'll open them, taste test them together. I do have a code for you guys, so if you want to try these out, like I said, they just launched like today. So if you want to try, oh, it smells good. So if you want to try them out, you can get a discount today. So they're just the same. They look the exact same as the other ones. That's the inside. They're good. I don't really taste the caramel flavor. Maybe a little bit there. Personally, I don't really taste a salted caramel flavor. I taste more of a like just a chocolatey flavor. It tastes similar to the multi ones, but not as like vanilla-y. They're a little bit more chewy, but still really good. Like, I mean, it's chocolate, so that's a win. Yeah. It tastes good. I mean, I'm not disappointed. I would totally take these daily and probably remember to take them daily because I love chocolate. So yeah, take one as needed and don't exceed more than 5 pieces per day. So don't go sitting there eating the whole jar. So that's kind of my first reaction. I love the color. It, I think, is very on brand for them. Yeah, we'll see if I feel any more energized. I'll let you guys know. But yeah. It has caffeine and guarana. I can't even extract that one. I don't know if you guys can. It'll focus. It has that extract. I can never pronounce it. I can't pronounce it. So yeah, overall I think it tastes good. It tastes like chocolate. I don't necessarily really taste a caramel. Like I taste a little bit of a like salted chocolate, not so much a salted caramel, but either way, tastes good. I would totally take these every day, and yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Here's the code for you to get an extra 10% off any sale on the entire website, and I will see you guys in the next video.